Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to update or install drivers on your Lenovo laptop. So the most important driver in terms of gaming would be the GPU driver, which you can download from the website itself, or you can download the NVIDIA app for the NVIDIA users if your laptop has an NVIDIA GPU, or the AMD Adrenalin for the AMD users. And the install of the drivers will be pretty simple. The application will install them for you, and you don't have to worry about that. It's really simple. About other things, for example, your audio driver, just press on the Windows icon, find Device Manager, and here find your sound and video game, and you have the your graphics, your audio cards, and when you press right click on that, press update driver and search automatically. And this, if you don't have the best driver installed, and the Windows will look out into the internet and find the drivers for you, and you have to just do that with every device that you need to update. And that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.